Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can download or use Codex in your mobile application. So first of all, you do not need to download additional Codex app. It is provided via your ChatGPT by OpenAI itself. So first of all, head over to your ChatGPT, but before that, let's make sure our application is updated. Search for ChatGPT. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, your application is already updated. Simply tap on open. Now make sure that you are logged into your account and it is the same account where you have already set up Codex. So while using your phone, also make sure that you are using a desktop, and from there you will be required to enter instructions. So simply open your laptop or PC and simply get logged into your account and make sure it is the same ChatGPT account that you are using in your phone right now. Now once done, if you have already set up the Codex, if you have not, you need to first set up Codex in your desktop app and use it via your phone. So tap on the toolbar icon on your top left. Down here you will see Codex. If you do not see Codex, simply tap on see more here and you will see Codex. So tap on Codex. Now, first of all, it will ask you to set up Codex. It says Codex uses the power of your desktop computer to build software and do complex work. Now, sign into your Codex desktop app with your ChatGPT account and then follow the instruction in the desktop app itself. Now here tap on I am signed in on desktop and it says waiting for desktop. If you are already signed in, you will already see instructions in your laptop itself. Go ahead, follow the instruction, and then you will be able to use your Codex in your phone as well. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.